instant coffee, powdered milk, brown sugar, and opened cream, Alaska Crema. Sobra sa paggawa ng mango float. Kondensada. Yes. Open na. Dalgona.
What's this, Dad?
Coffee. 2 tables. Water. Other way around.
Mama.
Oh. Yeah. Tignan natin yung... Try it. What's my first try? Sabi ni Hana.
Ano ba? Sabi daw mabuang lagi ko lagi na kana usay magtagalog ko mabisay na ko magtagalog.
Baliktad daw yung pagkagawa ko. Inuna ko yung kape.
Tala ha. Mabuang ko kaso ang hirap din kasi Bisaya talaga ako eh.
It's an epic fail, pero ano mo, ang sarap pa rin eh.
Binili ko.
Ang binili ko mandega. Here you go. Yeah. Masarap siya eh. Pero yung consistency na hinahabol ko dahil dun kay Erwan eh, ang ganda eh. Oh, now Milo.
So for the second one, I wanted to make like a Milo version of Dalgona Coffee without the coffee.
Without the coffee.
The exact same thing as before. 2 tablespoons of Milo, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and
2 tablespoons of Milo.
I stirred it. Finally, light bulb, I made a Milo quote-unquote syrup by mixing 2
Hindi mo
tablespoons
good
of
na.
Milo with 2 tablespoons of...
Guys, baliktad daw. Epic fail to Dalgona ko. Okay, there'll be Dalgona part 2. Epic fail, guys. I don't care about Dalgona. I just want to have coffee.
Sayang na naman kape. Buta na ito sa rep dyan kay kalas-kalas lang na yung daddy. Oh.
How did you like my Dalgona na? Did you like it?
Yes.
How was it? It was yummy?
Yes.
Yummy, di ba?
Yes.
All of that is cooking is yummy.
Yes.
See? Tell them. Tell our viewers.
Guys, I love Daddy's cooking and his Dalgona coffee.
Anyway, interesting enough. This is the good thing that COVID did to us. The advisory. It's
COVID-19.
we have to stay at home. Stay at home and then mga konting realizations. Just stay at home. Iba yung anyway, guys. Apart from this experiments and cooking show, my edgy veggie show, there's supposed to be some material to separate channel that the vegetarian kitchen or what. Ako naman, ang problema talaga guys, stay at home. Panay kain eh, di ba? Well, budgeted siya. So ang aming supply dapat mag-last pa ng 2 months. Pero there's a good, meron namang mga latest development. Some of my friends in the photography and the videography circles and my colleagues in the farming community, we have plans to create tutorials and create modules for backyard farming or easy farming sa bahay. Whether or not you have a agricultural or farming background, you can do something at home, diba? So it's something essential. Because with the cause and effect ng virus sa ating society, sa ating community, and throughout the country, ang preparedness dun sa calamity or any disaster really. Maging prepared tayo kasi essentially food is number one. It's a list sa when it comes to lockdowns or enhanced community quarantine. It boils down to how ready are we in any situation. Di ba? Paano tayo maghanda sa mga kalamidad or ano man ang dumating sa buhay natin. So whatever challenges, isa sa mga development of being stay at home. Ayun na, basta abangan nyo yun guys. Abangan nyo yun guys. We'll keep you posted, we'll keep you updated. Lalo-lalo na sa ating mga subscribers na talagang tuloy-tuloy na dumadalaw at bumibisita uli dito sa ating channel. And kadchow kayo rin ko ano? Just an update, we reach 1,000 subscribers. Sobrang salamat talaga sa suporta. Pagpatuloy pa rin natin and produce more quality contents and ano ba yun?
So mga palalabs, thank you so much for watching. And please, ayaw kalimot og subscribe, okay?
Go play with your kittens. Yeah, so anyway guys, so staying at home, wala, napapaisip ka. Ang dami mong planong gawin. Yun, katulad niya, up, intermission. Yan, kasi masakit ulo niya. So, migraine. Anyway, thank you talaga guys for your patience. I hope you get something out of that video. And kung meron kayong mga comments or suggestions na anong gusto nyong gawin namin sa mga cooking ng ina, balik-balik lang kayo. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. And see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Bye!